This is Pepita, and she is a chow hound. Our pet store did not have an adequate size slow feeder bowl for her, so I bought her a medium size. And one day I decided to turn it over, and it actually slows her down. She can't get her muzzle, despite the size, into those little crevices, so it actually slows her down. She used to eat her food in under like a minute. So if you can't find a small breed slow feeder bowl at your local pet store, depending on your dog's muzzle size, this should be a nice little hack so you don't waste money and buy the wrong size bowl. According to her breeder, she was the runt, and she came from a pretty big litter. She's a chihuahua, and they promised me she was going to be 4 to 6 pounds, but she is actually 12 pounds, and her breeders were very shocked by that. Their guess for that is she didn't get as much food as she needed, so she's making up for it now, but I don't want her to get bloat, so I have to come up with ways to slow down her eating. And if it gets her to take longer than a minute to eat her food, and I actually hear her chewing every once in a while, I think it's a good idea. I still see some in there. Are you giving up? Really? Are you giving up? I never give up. No, not when it comes to food. I'm just getting a little lazy. What? You have a tongue. You can get it. Get it, Pedo. Are you done? Well, it's better than she has been. I think she gives up.